Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by locating the compressed file in File Explorer and verifying its type, because different types need different tools. Once done, make sure you have enough disk space and an extraction app like 7-Zip if Windows built-in fails. Right-click the archive to see available options. Choose Open to inspect contents first or Extract All to begin. You do this to confirm files are safe and to decide an extraction folder. This avoids overwriting and saves time during the next steps. Now focus on choosing where files go and the correct extraction method. If it's a simple zip, click Extract All and pick a folder. Windows will create the folder and unpack files. For RAR or 7Z, open the archive with 7-Zip, click Extract To, then browse to your target folder. Make sure to preserve folder structure by not extracting into a crowded directory. After extraction starts, monitor progress and pause if prompted for passwords or conflicts, so you can resolve them without corrupting files. Finish by opening the extracted folder and verifying file integrity. Open a sample document or run the app file to confirm it works. If extraction warned about passwords, enter credentials or obtain the correct archive. If file type still won't open, you might have chosen the wrong tool. In case of errors, try 7-Zip's repair function or redownload the archive from the source. One key troubleshooting tip: if files are corrupted, compare the archive size to the original and reacquire the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.